Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. I'm going to take you through today an exciting new trading tool that the team at ACY have been developing over the past months. And it's an exciting tool in that it's a first of its kind here at ACY. It's an interactive live trading feed, okay, that comes through a Telegram channel and gives you alerts. And the alerts are designed to get you to point your attention to areas where you're seeing price reaching really key levels, where a number of the technical analysis stars are aligning. And it's going to alert you as price is getting closer to that level or when price has actually reached that particular level. So you can then focus your attention and look for trade setups, whatever your trade setups might be, to pull the trigger to get into a trade. But at least you're doing it in an area where there is a high probability of price either failing, moving down from, or moving up from. So let's dive in and have a look at it. I'll share my screen with you now. So this is the ACY Securities channel. It's the interactive trading feed. Now, it's going to cover Forex. It's going to cover also indices. We'll have a look at an example of that, precious metals, even some cryptos, because the reality is critical levels can be reached in all kinds of instruments. And also, regardless of whether you're a day trader or whether you're trading longer term, then this type of feed is going to alert you to these key levels that you can take advantage of. All right, so let's have a look at this example here. And you can see it's broadcast with a chart showing you what the level is, and then a detailed description, I suppose, of why this is a critical level. So in this case, Duncan's drawn in some daily resistance. I can see there, we're looking at the pound against the US dollar. So right around here, Duncan's asking the question, at this critical level, okay, are we going to see price reverse? So I'll go through, he puts a detailed description of the 3, 4, maybe even 5 reasons why this could be a reversal point. So let me just show you on an actual chart so it's easier for you to see. So here's the level here that Duncan's talking about. So it's a major daily resistance level that price has reached. The longer term trend, if you look at it, the longer term trend, you can see over the last year or so, it's been putting in lower tops and bottoms, but we've seen this rally, this retracement right up to this major daily resistance level. And we're also seeing an inverted hammer, a candlestick that suggests reversal, okay? A negative candlestick right there. So you've already got a whole number of reasons for looking at this as a potential move down. So this allows you to focus in now and look for your trade setups. But at least you're being alerted live as price is there and not looking back at it, you know, a few days later saying, oh, I wish I had have seen that. So that's very much the live nature of this particular feed. Now, not only that, but the other thing I really like about it is Duncan has looked at the entire range, okay, of last year from top to bottom here using the fib tool. So even though it is putting in these lower tops and bottoms, it's actually rallied back now to 50% of last year's range. So another reason why we could see a reversal. So that being said, from this level where he's alerted us to us in the Telegram live feed, you can see here it's moved down about 150, 160 odd pips, and it's breaking through previous resistance and so forth. So already we've seen as a resistance zone, it's certainly been spot on, and we've had a decent move down over the last 3 or 4 days. I'll show you another one while we're here. So the next one along, that's the pound against the US dollar. If we go across, the next one put up around the same time is the S&P 500. So right here, Duncan's giving a whole variety of reasons, descript down the bottom, saying why this level right here where the question mark is could be a critical reversal level on the S&P 500. And let's go in and just have a look, and I'll explain to you in a bit more detail. But if you've got really quick eyes, then you can read it just down the bottom there. So looking at the S&P 500, let me bring that chart up for you. And you can see there's that highlighted area. Why? Okay, so it's a weekly resistance level that it's had trouble trying to get above. In fact, it broke back below it. And then we saw over a number of days, prices now gone back up and put in a lower top, okay, and failed at that weekly resistance level. So if, for example, you're in a long position, you might use that as a guide and sort of say, maybe I could use that as a place to get risk out of my trade, or if you want to take some partial profits, whatever your trading strategy is. However, if you wanted to look for a reversal opportunity, you can see from here, prices actually moved down quite dramatically. In fact, it's broken previous levels. If you look over here, it's this previous level of resistance. It's actually closed now below that. So that there was a critical level in the market, and being alerted to those levels, and then that will allow you to, whatever trading style that you're using, you can highlight the high probability area, and then you can keep an eye and focus on that and look for potential trade setups. All right, so that will be all I'll go through today. Look, if you're interested, it's for all of our live funded clients here at ACY. So it is a free service. We're more than happy to get you out an invitation, at least so you can experience the interactive trading feed. Contact your account manager. They'll be more than happy to assist. Or if you want to email me, so just email nathan.bray, that's B-R-A-Y, at acy.com. I'd be more than happy to explain this new exciting product to you and get you out an invitation. All right, talk soon. Happy trading.